Hello student, today we continue our lesson number 5th. Now today's topic is assignment statement, input statement and output statement. Now assignment statement. In assignment statement there is one statement is let. Now this command is used to store the value in some variable or assign a value to a variable. Let command is used to assign a numeric or string constant to a variable. The syntax of the statement is let. The syntax of let statement is let equal to let variable name equal to value. Suppose I am give 20 value assigned to a variable. This is our variable name. Now again I am making second variable like let b is our variable name equal to 30. Now suppose I want to sum of these two variables, so I am take one variable like c equal to a plus b and print c and for ending a program you can use AND. Now run, start. So you can see here our output is 50 because a equal to 20 and b equal to 30. 20 plus 30 is 50. Now close this. Now second statement is input statement. The input command is used to take data from the user. When you type the input command, that is input A, then a question mark appear on the output screen like this. I am clear this text and take input A. Again I am taking one variable input B and let c equal to a plus b and print c and AND for ending a program. Now run. You can see here one question mark is there, so that means it indicate to the user to type some data, say a number, and the execution of the program is suspend until the user supply the data requested for. Now I am entering 17 and press enter. So again second question mark is there because we can take two input, first is a and second is b. So the 17 value will be stored in a variable and again I am typing number 50, so 50 will be stored in b variable. Now in next line you can we can use let c equal to a plus b. So in c the answer will be stored 120 because we can use a plus b. So 70 plus 50 is 120. So print 120. Now close this. Now next topic is output statement. In output statement there is one statement, that is print statement. The print command is used to get the output of the program. The output of the program is displayed on the output screen. The syntax of the print command is like print and in double unit comma, suppose I am type enter the value of a equal to, and here I am also write print enter the value of b equal to. Now run the program. Start. So you can see here, enter the value of A, that is, I suppose I typed 40. Now you can see enter the value of B, 19, and you can see 130 is our answer. So this is our print statement, that means output statement. Close this. Now our next topic is element of QBasic. A programming language consists of many elements. Like QBasic consists of following elements like character set, constant, variable, and keyword. The character set in QBasic consists of number, alphabet, and special character. Alphabet like small a to z and capital A to z. Number like 0 to 9. Special character like $sign, hashtag, ampersand, module, etc. Now constant. Constant are the value which do not change during the execution of program. These are fixed value, that is, once you have defined them, they can't be changed further. Now next is variable. A variable is a value which change during the execution of program. It is placed in computer memory with a name and address. We already see the variable in our program. Keyword. Keyword are those words which are already defined in the programming language and have special meaning. They are also called reserved word. Some keyword used in QBasic are CLS, let, input, print, etc. Now next topic is operator. There are 4 types of operator in QBasic. First is arithmetic. In arithmetic operator, you can see addition, division, multiplication, and subtraction. Relational operator like equal to, not equal to, less than, greater than, less than equal to, and greater than equal to. Logical operator like and, or, not, and string operator like plus. Arithmetic operator are used to perform calculation on numeric value. Relational operator are used to compare two different value. This operator will always return a single value as a result. Logical operator are used to compare two or more value. This operator will always return a single value as result. It may be true or false. And string operator, QBasic uses the plus operator to combine or concatenating two string. Now our next topic is how to save a program in QBasic. Now you can just click on file menu and you can see here save option is there. Click on save. Now you can give the name of the file. Suppose I am giving first as a name and click on OK. So you can see here our file will be saved. Now next topic is how to open an existing program. You can just click on file menu, click on open. Now suppose I want to open EX1, click on EX1 and OK. So you can see here our program will be opened. Now again I want to open my file first and OK. So you can see here our first file will be opened. Now next topic is how to execute a program. Click on run menu, present on the menu bar. Click on start. So you can see here our program will be run. You will see the status message creating.exe. Now you can see here our program will be run. Now close this. Now last topic is how to exit QBasic. Just click on file and click on exit. So you can exit from QBasic. Thank you for watching this video.